weather with meteorologist Ted Schmidt.
Temperatures warming nicely with the bright sunshine right now. Filtered sun. The clouds are beginning to take over. That's live imagery from our Lewiston Auto camera. Tomorrow and Saturday, both first alert days, we've been upgraded down to level 2 of 5 from the Storm Prediction Center for severe weather. Tomorrow, one round of storms as early as 4 o'clock in the morning. The storm potential goes on until noon. A redevelopment of strong storms in the evening also possible, and flooding a big concern tomorrow because there's a lot of moisture building in ahead of a storm system that will move through the area on Saturday. So tomorrow, not just severe weather, but heavy rain, level 3 of 5 from the Weather Prediction Center for heavy rain potential. That says there's a strong probability somewhere in this red area there will be flooding going on tomorrow, and after that river levels will continue their ascent as well. So we're looking at the potential of tomorrow 3 or 4 inches of rain, some of the strongest storms. Add to that another couple of inches on Saturday, level 2 of 5 from the Weather Prediction Center for excessive rainfall. Right now, light rain coming in for the west. That will reach most of the area by around 4 or 5 o'clock this afternoon, maybe stray thunderstorms this evening, and then more widespread storms ahead of that storm system. So we're looking at 2 to 4 isolated 5-inch totals of rainfall, the highest amounts above north of Interstate 90 for the next 2 days, tomorrow and Saturday. Those are days 2 and 3 in this 3-day outlook for rainfall. Southward about 2 inches for Preston and points in North Iowa. Isolated showers today. Strong storms, heavy rainfall tonight and Saturday. About 3 rounds of severe weather headed our way to go with the locally heavy rain in that time frame. Sunday looks much more peaceful. Flood warnings in effect for Wabasha and Winona, both now in looking at the possibility moderate flooding, about 2 feet above flood stage by next week for both areas. Tomorrow morning, Wabasha will be above flood stage with the river, and then the crest of that river will be more than a week away, more than likely going on to the tail end of next week as the river level continues to go up. 75 right now in Rochester, 74 in Osage, 72 Decorah, on our way to the upper 70s with filtered sun, then some showers. We'll look for isolated showers, heavy storms later tonight. Severe weather around 4 or 5 in the morning tomorrow. The first line, damaging winds, heavy rainfall, another cluster of strong storms later in the day tomorrow. Severe weather again on Saturday morning. First thing in the morning, damaging wind threat again, and then as a cold front comes in on Saturday afternoon around 2 or 3 o'clock, strong storms with perhaps tornadoes, damaging winds and heavy rainfall again. Tomorrow morning, 4 to noon, that first round of severe weather, the big concern at first. We'll have additional rounds of strong storms beyond that. First alert day again on Saturday, level 2 of 5 again from the Storm Prediction Center in the morning and again in the afternoon, 2 to 5 p.m. So 3 rounds of severe weather possible to go with that. Heavy rainfall, up to 5 inches of rain. That's a lot to talk about. There's a lot happening. Stray storms later today, filtered sun, 78, light winds from the east. Tonight, thunderstorms after midnight, 63. Severe weather tomorrow in the morning and then perhaps again in the evening, 82. Some breaks of sunshine, a light south breeze, and severe weather possible on Saturday morning and then afternoon. And then finally, Charles, some quiet weather for Sunday and the days that follow. Temperatures in 70s and low 80s. And Ted's Trivia, where would you find your Filtrum? Do you know where that would be located?
I'm going to guess your nose.
It's right under your nose, yeah, that little indentation above your lip. That is the Filtrum.
Well, there you go. Fun fact to know today.
Yeah.
We'll be tracking out that the next couple days.
A lot of severe weather.
Yes. All right. Thanks, Ted.